macOS can be a bit difficult for newer users, but whether you're new to macOS or an experienced user, the apps I'm going to share with you today will make your experience so much easier, and you'll probably find that using your Mac will never be the same. If you are new to macOS, your last computer probably had the ability to snap windows to different areas of your screen. Unfortunately, macOS is the only one out of the three major operating systems that do not have this feature built in. But thankfully, there are third-party apps that can bring this feature to Mac. The one I use in particular is called Magnet, and it has a number of features for managing your app windows, such as the ability to drag them to edges or corners to snap them, as well as keyboard shortcuts to do basically the same thing. While it's not as robust as Windows' built-in system, it does make the experience of managing app windows in macOS a lot easier. But as much as I've come to rely on Magnet for my day-to-day tasks, there's only one app that I've come to use about as much as Magnet. This is an app called Yoink, and it's basically like a sort of shelf for moving files around. Think of it as like cut and paste on steroids for files. Plus, you can even use the share menu to add files directly to the shelf, which is great if an app doesn't have an easy way to save or export files. I use this all the time for organizing files in Finder, including those for my channel. There's also a version for iOS as well, but personally I just use the Mac version and it works really great. Now, one feature in macOS that can be pretty useful is the ability to use macOS's optical character recognition to copy text from photos. But sometimes it's not the most accurate, or maybe you just want to copy text from areas other than photos. And this is where the next app comes in. This app is called TextSniper, and it basically allows you to copy text the same way that you take a screenshot. You just press Command-Shift-2 and you're able to drag an area on your screen, and once you do this, it'll copy the text that you just selected to your clipboard. I actually found myself using this app a lot more often than I thought I would. It's a quick, easy way to copy and paste text without formatting from practically anywhere that has text. But of course, managing text easily like this goes beyond just software. You also need good hardware to make it as streamlined as possible. For example, having a good keyboard that's quick and easy to type on is absolutely critical for quickly typing and managing text in things like documents or emails. So go check out this video next to learn about one of my all-time favorite keyboards that's made tasks like these so much easier compared to other keyboards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there. Adios.